Have you ever wondered if DevOps engineers can truly memorize YAML?
This question may seem simple, but the answer reveals fascinating insights about how we manage cloud services, especially in the fast-evolving realm of edge AI. Stay tuned as we dissect this topic and why it matters more than you think. YAML, which stands for yet another markup language, is a crucial part of configuration in DevOps.
Its simplicity and readability make it a favorite among developers. But how does it fit into the frameworks of edge AI and fog computing? Let's break it down. As we dive deeper, it's essential to understand edge AI and fog computing.
These technologies allow for processing data closer to where it's generated, reducing latency and improving response times.
But how does YAML play into this? Let's explore its applications in real-time data management. So, do DevOps engineers actually memorize YAML? The answer may surprise you.
While some do strive to remember common patterns, many lean on documentation and tools that reference YAML configurations.
This raises the question, is memorization even necessary in today's tech landscape?
When working with edge computing, engineers often face challenges around data flow and processing. YAML plays a key role in managing configurations that allow for seamless integration of various services.
But can memorization really keep up with the pace of development in this domain? Here's a surprising fact: studies show that memorizing code syntax can actually hinder creativity. Many successful DevOps engineers focus on understanding principles rather than rote memorization. Could this shift in mindset be the future of tech roles?
Before we continue, if you're enjoying this insightful journey into the world of DevOps and edge technologies, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support really helps us bring more engaging content like this to you. Looking ahead, the role of YAML in configuration management in edge computing is evolving. With advancements in AI and machine learning, we may see new tools that revolutionize how engineers interact with YAML and data processing.
What should we be watching for?
To recap, while memorization is common in many coding disciplines, the real question lies in how effectively we can adapt and utilize tools like YAML in the era of edge AI and fog computing.
Are you prepared for the changing landscape of DevOps? Thank you for joining us today.
We hope this video has shed light on the complexities of YAML and its significance in modern engineering practices. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore cutting-edge tools that are changing the face of DevOps forever.